All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I always report to you. I think it's the best thing to do. So I want to check to see if you guys are having this issue. So I am on Android 15. I'm going to go into settings here and show you here. I'm on the latest update from them. Go into system and we'll go into system updates. And you can see here, Android 15, and I'm on the November security patch. But this issue that I had last time before I updated is back again for some reason. After I did the November security patch. Now, the first time this happened, I ended up doing a factory reset, and it fixed everything. So now on my 9 Pro on Android 15, I'm having the same wallpaper issue. Now I can go in and change the wallpaper to what I want to change it to with different photos and things like that. But I should be able to do that all through this native wallpaper and styles application. But for some reason, I cannot. This is what I get when I try to do that. So the only thing I'm stuck with is these 4 different wallpapers right here. It'll let me change through these with no problems. So you can see there I'm changing through, switching between these styles right here, but I have no other access other than this. So I don't know why this is happening. Again, last time I had to do a factory reset, and it was extremely frustrating because who wants to keep factory resetting their device? Now I do have a backup of this device. And last time when I did the factory reset, I did not restore the backup. I went in and downloaded everything individually, and I have quite a few personal apps on here. I'm signed into a lot of things, and I don't want to keep doing that. And I know the passwords, I have it set to where I can automatically generate it. It just doesn't matter. But the point is, this is not good because I don't want to have to keep, dealing with not being able to change my wallpaper from within the wallpapers that Google offers. So I went in and closed. I did everything. I cleared the cache. I did everything possible to try to get this to work with the application, and it just does not. So if I go into my own pictures and photos, let me change the wallpaper that way. So I've got a picture from my wallpapers in here. And this is just a picture that I have. I can go in and set as the wallpaper. That's not a problem. It happens perfectly fine. And you can set it. There you go. But I can't go, I have no control over my wallpaper. Like I can't do anything. I don't know why this is happening. This happened before. I think I did a video on it before for you guys. And I told you if it happened again, I would report it to you. But I, in fact, did clear everything out. Like a lot of guys were like, did you do this? Did you do that? I've done everything possible to try to get this to just be able to use the regular styles and wallpaper, and it just does not do it. It won't do it for some reason. And this started to happen after I upgraded to the November security patch. Simply put, this is a cool wallpaper though, right? You gotta give it up. But yeah, man, I don't know what else to do when it comes to this. I can continue to go in and change my wallpapers. I just have to use my own wallpapers if I want to do something different, but I prefer my actual icons here. Sometimes I don't want to use the themed icon. And so that's all I was actually going in here to do, was to leave my wallpaper that I was using before. And it was the custom emoji wallpaper. And let me go into this real quick. Let's try something here, because you can't open these applications. Like, so if I go over to apps and then I go up here to see all, and then I go to wallpaper, see how emoji workshop wallpaper, I can't get to it. Like how do you get to it? You have to access it through Google's system. The live wallpaper, all these things, you have to access it through the wallpapers and styles. And let me see here. You have to access it that way. So it's not like I could just go in and just click on them. That's just not how it works. So I wanted to do another video. Man, it's definitely frustrating to know that maybe I could try changing the launcher and putting my Nova launcher on here. Maybe I put my Nova launcher on here and then, see how that goes. But because I do own Nova, everybody owns Nova launcher at this point, Nova Prime. Here it is right here. So I got my Nova installed here, and I was Gonna go ahead and I'm just kind of walking through. This is what it looks like now when you go into Nova Launcher Prime. I'm a beta tester too as well. I forgot that I was. So this is what it looks like. I haven't used Nova Launcher in so long. This is what it looks like. So let me go into Nova here, and here we go. So this is a way that I could actually get my icons back. But what happens when I go here, I can go to settings through Nova Launcher. Yeah, so I could do it this way, but I shouldn't have to. I shouldn't have to do it this way. I should be able to just access everything, you know what I'm saying, the way I want to do it. And these Nova Launcher ones, this is just, nah, it's not going to cut it, son. But at least I'll be able to set it. So what I would have to do is set a wallpaper from Google first and then come over here. It's super lame. So I don't know, man. It's definitely really, really frustrating to have to deal with this because, you know, I prefer to just have it like this. But the wallpapers and styles just won't act right. It just doesn't want to act right for me. So what do you do? What do you do? Any resolutions that you guys have, leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to try it out. But the last time I was able to resolve this, it was through a factory reset. And I do not want to take that route again. I just don't want to do it that way. That was such a hassle to go back in and to sign up everything and transfer it over, sign into all my banking app. It was just a hassle. So let me know what you guys think I should do. And I see in the comment section, because I know you guys are going to lay it in and have a bunch of advice for me. I'm open to taking all the feedback from you guys. Take care.